Hello everyone, if you're getting this error on Roblox Lost Connection due to an error with the error code 272, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to get rid of that error on Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, you're going to write here app data, you're going to go into local, you're going to make sure you delete the folder called Roblox from here, so just delete it from here. I don't have it here because I already deleted it. And then you're going to go into roaming, delete it from here as well. And after you've deleted it from both of these locations, then you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go ahead and download latest stable release. Go ahead and download and install this software up. And once you're done with downloading and installing it, you're going to open it up. And after you open it up, you're going to come here and then you're going to go into this settings icon. You're going to make sure it is set to this second option, 1.1.1.1 with warp. Connect it. And after that, just open up your web browser and go on to roblox.com. Log in with your account here if it asks you to log in. And then you can just select any game and you can try to play the game and you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.